Want to send your Kindle highlights to Zotero? With Glasp, you can export all your Kindle highlights without limits and keep them synced across all your devices. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to export your Kindle highlights with Glasp and save them to Zotero so you can build a personal library of notes you can search, organize, and revisit anywhere. First, open your browser like Chrome, Brave, Safari, or Edge, and go to glasp.co. Click Sign Up and create your account. You can sign up with Google or Apple, but if you're not using an iPhone or iPad, Google Sign-In is usually the easiest option. Next, install the Glasp browser extension. Open the link to the Glasp Chrome extension in the description below. Click Add to Chrome. After installing, it's a good idea to pin Glasp to your toolbar so you can access it quickly anytime. Once you're signed in, go to your Glasp profile page. In the Glasp sidebar, click the profile icon. Now, open Kindle Cloud Reader. You can search Kindle Cloud Reader on Google or go directly to a URL like read.amazon.com. Sign in with your Amazon account. After you log in, click Notes and Highlights on the left side. Then choose a book you want to import. On the top right, you should see the Glasp import window. Click Select Books, choose the books you want, and then click Import to Glasp. If you don't see the Glasp window, double-check that the extension is installed, enabled, and that you're signed in. Next, go back to your Glasp profile page and refresh it. You should now see the Kindle highlights you imported. Click Copy Highlights in the top right to copy everything to your clipboard. Now, open Zotero. Paste your Kindle highlights into Zotero as your source. If you want to import more Kindle highlights, go back to your Glasp profile page, click Copy Highlights, and paste them into Zotero. And that's it. With Glasp, you can import Kindle highlights into Zotero without export limits. Thanks for watching.